Hi. I am Spybot. I am here to tell you all about LEGO Technic. LEGO Technic is a branch of LEGO that deals with mechanics. It is a very powerful system and you can create very sophisticated machines. A lot of it is snap-on and slide-on. It also gives special ready-made parts like differential casings, or turntables, or planetary gear systems. You can also use motors with it to create motorized machines. Here are a few examples of the snap-on and slide-on I was talking about. The main types of parts in LEGO Technic are the beams, the axles or the cross-axles, the gears and the special types of beams that allow us to connect parts in right angles. To connect parts, we use connector pegs or axles with stoppers. Here is a video showing how to do basic things in LEGO Technic such as connecting a peg to a beam, inserting an axle on a gear, and using different types of pegs. To show you this, I have used a special type of software called LEGO Digital Designer, which lets you simulate building with LEGO on your computer.
Fixing the presentation.
Now that you know how to do the basic connections, here are a few model systems that you can easily make. These will help you to get used to working with LEGO Technic. Follow the instructions shown perfectly. Gears are an important part of LEGO Technic. They allow the transfer and manipulation of torque and speed. The different types of gears in LEGO Technic are spur gears, bevel gears, double bevel gears, crown gears and worm gears. A lot of times, to maintain strength while allowing freedom of motion, special hinge systems are used. If strong enough, they can sometimes sustain the weight of an entire LEGO model without bending or breaking. Sometimes, gears can be used with hinges to create controllable hinge systems. A lot of times, for revolving mechanisms, turntables are used. Most LEGO turntables have gear teeth for controlling the turntable. Some turntables also have gear teeth for planetary gear systems. LEGO Technic provides ready-made differential parts, but you can also create custom torsion differentials. For steering systems, you can either use standard rack and pinion steering systems or create custom steering systems. Now that we have looked at the various types of Technic pieces, let us have a look at motorization. The different types of motors we can use are the LEGO Power Functions motors, and the LEGO Mindstorms motors. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed my presentation. If you found it useful, please like it and share it with your friends. My battery has started running low, so I need to go charge myself. Goodbye.